1. Which of the following is used in mobile devices to convert analog video and sound to digital video and sound? A. Calibrator. B. SDK. C. Virtual assistant. D. Digitizer. Answers: D. Digitizers are used in mobile devices to convert analog video and sound to digital video and sound, or to interpret analog signals associated with touch movement on a screen into digital equivalents. 2. John has a high-resolution image on his iPad of his 2-year-old son and the family dog. The image initially displays smaller than the screen, so he wants to zoom in to get the details of his son's expression. What gesture can he use to accomplish this task? A. Click the mouse in the middle of the picture to select it, then use the scroll wheel on the mouse to zoom in. B. Tap the picture with his index finger on his son's face. C. Long press on the image and select zoom from the pop-up menu. D. Touch his son's face on the screen with his thumb and finger, then pinch outward to scroll in. Answers: D. John should touch his son's face on the screen with his thumb and finger, then pinch outward to zoom in. 3. Which mobile device screen technology uses no backlight? A. Biode. B. LCD. C. LED. D. OLED. Answers: D. OLED technology does not use a backlight. 4. What can a government use to determine your location at a specific time as long as you are using your mobile device? A. Multi-factor authentication. B. Geo-tracking. C. Google Earth. D. Authenticator applications. Answers: B. Geo-tracking can locate you and your GPS-equipped mobile device. 5. What are the steps involved in pairing a Bluetooth keyboard with a tablet? A. Enable Bluetooth on the tablet, turn on the Bluetooth device, find the device with the tablet, enter a PIN code or other pairing sequence. B. Turn on the Bluetooth device, find the device with the tablet, enter a PIN code or other pairing sequence. C. Search for a Bluetooth device from the tablet, select pair from the options to enable the device. D. Enable Bluetooth on the tablet, turn on the Bluetooth device, find the device with the tablet, select pair from the options to enable the device. Answers: A. To pair a Bluetooth keyboard with a tablet, enable Bluetooth on the tablet, turn on the Bluetooth device, find the Bluetooth device in the tablet's settings screen, then enter a PIN code or finalize the pairing. 6. Which of the following is a 15-digit number used to uniquely identify a mobile device that connects to a cellular network? A. IMEI. B. GSM. C. ICHID. D. IMSI. Answers: A. The International Mobile Equipment Identity, IMEI, number is a 15-digit number used to uniquely identify a mobile device, typically a smartphone or other device that connects to a cellular network. 7. Mary returned from a cruise to the Bahamas and got a bill from her cell phone company, Sprint, that was over $1,000. What could have happened? A. Mary connected to the internet with her smartphone using the cruise ship company's Wi-Fi. B. Mary's smartphone connected to the internet in the Bahamas via a cell provider that wasn't Sprint. C. Mary used her smartphone to do internet gambling and Sprint frowns on that activity. D. Bills after international trips are always reported in the currency of the country visited. When translated from Bahamian dollars to US dollars, the amount is the same she normally pays. Answers: B. Mary's smartphone connected to the internet in the Bahamas via a cell provider that wasn't Sprint. 8. Leonard just purchased a very expensive comic book and paid for it using the stored credit card information on his smartphone. What technology did he use to make the transaction? A. Swipe lock. B. Wi-Fi calling. C. NFC. D. BitLocker to go. Answers: C. Leonard likely purchased his comic book using near-field communication, NFC, technology, which can be used for payment Transactions through stored credit card information in mobile applications. 9. What information do you need to connect an Android-based tablet to an IMAP account? A. POP3 server DNS name. B. Username and password. C. Username, password, sending and receiving server addresses. D. Exchange server name, username, and password. Answers. C. Leonard likely purchased his comic book using near-field communication, NFC, technology, which can be used for payment transactions through stored credit card information in mobile applications. 10. Which mobile OS enables developers to customize the user experience without restrictions? A. Android. B. BlackBerry. C. iOS. D. Windows Phone. Answers. A. Google Android is open source, enabling developers to create custom versions for their devices.
Our goal is to help you achieve your IT career goals and become a successful IT professional. We are constantly updating our content and adding new practice tests, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos. If you have any questions, suggestions, or feedback, feel free to leave a comment below or contact us at najarstar@gmail.com. We would love to hear from you and help you in any way we can. Thank you for watching and good luck with your IT exams.